guys, it's first day of bear season 2021. I'm getting prepared to go to the field. I've got my under warmer garment. I'll show you how it fits. One-piece compression fitted garment. Just pack sewn into it. It's as simple as putting on your shirt. I use this layer up. It's 24 degrees outside. It's as easy as that, folks. Have some heat packs. Heating me up. Hey guys, welcome back for another success story video. This past weekend was the opener for Pennsylvania black bear hunting, and a video ago I told you about how I had a mishap last year and I missed a bear. Well, this year you're going to find out I did not miss. So there's the intro to the video. Spoiler alert, there will be some content with my bear footage. Okay, so let me start off by saying a couple of special thank yous right away off the top. What was used in this video is I had a new partnership that I formed with a company called Under Warmer. It's a heated garment that goes in underneath your clothing, and my last video talked about this unboxing, and it's basically like a sleeveless compression fitted shirt with like like the hot hand looking things that you buy at the store for your hands to keep them warm. There's 8 of them babies sewn into this shirt, and go check out the video and you'll learn more about it. But this product helped me get on stand. It was 24 degrees out. I have a hard time sitting still when I'm that cold. Got a few health issues and things. Man, I gotta be warm to be sitting out there. This helped me out. Another product that I used on this hunt was the Tacticam FTS, which stands for Film Through the Scope. Go check that product out, see what that's about. Basically what it is this product right here that you put the Tacticam in, and through a series of mirrors it shines in this way, and you can actually see what I'm looking at through my scope. You can see my crosshairs and everything, so every shot I take you're seeing what I was seeing. So anyhow, let's get into what happened here. I was sitting there, I saw some deer, and at one point I was kind of curled up. I was kind of cold sitting there, and I seen some black out on my left side here, and I realized it was a bear, and it was running uphill. And I throw the gun up, get the Tacticam running, and I go to put the finger in the trigger guard, and I have them stupid mittens on, the mittens that fold back and magnet to the back of your hand. Couldn't get my finger in the trigger, so I had to put the gun back across my lap, yank my glove off, get the gun back up. Now the bear's out there. I cracked this bear, and you'll see in the video, I cracked the bear in the chest the first shot, and she turns and runs right at me downhill. And bears run like a dog. They throw their rear legs ahead so she's coming downhill full tilt. And the second shot, when she threw her legs ahead, I hit her in the rear leg and shattered the elbow portion, which deflected the bullet, and the bullet never entered her body. The leg took the blow. So that kind of slowed her down on 3 legs, and the third shot I really anchored her. I put the third shot in her chest, and that was all she wrote, folks. She just rolled, she buckled, all done. Three shots, 3 hits. I've got a bear down. I get a guy right away texting me saying, "Was that you that shot? Are you here?" I said, "Yeah, I'm here. That was me that shot, and I've got a small bear down." He says, "Okay, well, if you need help, we're here." I say, "Yeah, man, I would appreciate some help." So, long story short, they meet me back at the truck, and I want a special thank you to a couple of 3 fellas, Dan, Bill, and Adam, and they had a deer cart with them, and with pneumatic tires, and they offered to come and help me get this bear out. Well, after I gutted the bear, I had drug it uphill to the nearest tram road so I would have easy access, because I figured on going home and grabbing my deer cart and coming back, but they offered, and so we all went down and we took turns. 2 of us would pull in the cart, and when we got tired, well, the other 2 took over. It always helps to have some guys with you, especially guys that are bigger than myself. That was really sweet, but I really appreciate the guys. And in return, they asked what I was doing with the hide, so I was going to give the hide to the fellas for helping me drag that bear out. And they have ideas of tanning the hide and making like maybe possibles bags for muzzle loading, which I thought was really cool. So I said, "Guys, you can have it. I'm not doing anything with it. It's yours." It's in my freezer waiting for them to pick it up. Okay, all that aside, I get to the this year they changed the bear check station. It's no longer Marionville Ranger Station. They moved it down to Farmington Township, VFD, Volunteer Fire Department, in Leaper, Pennsylvania. And that's where I headed with my bear to the check station. So I'll insert some video here. Okay, 107, huh? 107 gutted. Yeah, luckily I had 3 strong men with me. I'm good, thank you. And I get into the check station, and my bear was approximately between 130 and 140 live, they figure, and it weighed in at 108 hanging on a scale. Okay, so it's pretty neat. They have a nice setup. It was a drive-through setup. You honked the horn, they raised the door, you pulled in. They had a crane rail set up there with a crane, and they would weigh your bear. They pulled the tooth for aging. You went over, there was a biologist there. She asked you a series of questions, and you checked in everything. She checked your license. And then what was really cool was, man, I had an 8, and the kicker to this whole story was I was just getting ready to reach my hand in my backpack and grab a sandwich, and I thought, man, I don't feel like doing that, because I know it always never fails that when I eat, that I always see critters. I get interrupted, so I just didn't do that. Well, at the check station, after you checked your bear in, they gave you a free voucher for a free sandwich at the fire hall. And they had all kind of food set up there, all kind of rifles for guns and prints and stuff. It was a really cool thing, man. They got a good thing going, and actually the next video I've got coming out is going to be of the check station and of all the bears, an updated list of everybody that came through there and about the fire hall. So that'll be the next video. Check that out as well here in the next week. So yeah, I wanted to thank them, thank the PA Game Commission folks that worked at the fire hall there to make the check station a great success. As you will see in the next video, as I said, that I do up and coming about the fire hall, how accommodating the people at the fire hall were, and how accommodating the Game Commission was. They let me in there behind the fences with them while they were weighing the bears and pulling the teeth and stuff. Made me feel like a celebrity. It was pretty cool. They were really nice folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, next video up and coming, the fire hall and the check station. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this season as much as I did. I tagged out 4 deer in the archery season. Well, one was an early muzzleloader, but 4 deer, 3 doe and a buck. And now I've got the bear. I made it happen, like in the last video I talked about. Watch and see if I make it happen. What happened? I've been blessed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm the local guy. I'm from the Cook Forest area. So all you guys in the 2F area, man, smash that thumbs up and hit the subscribe and watch the videos and follow me as we do more in the future. We'll catch you guys in the next video.